into a rolling project pan. Okay, so I was gonna put this with my empties video until I realized that I had so many empties this month, but that's because I focused on all those products that had like that much left to use or that much left to use, where it would have been a 20-minute video if I would have put that all together. So today we're gonna focus it all in one video. So to start, I have the Everyday Shea. This is the body lotion moisturizing for all skin types. Was this nice? It smelled nice on my skin. However, it felt like I was running water into my skin. So you put it on and it's like instantly gone. So was it nice? Yes, but would I repurchase it for $10? Sadly, actually no. But it was fun to try because you never know unless you try. Next, I have the True Match Lumi. I ended up decluttering this. So as you can see, I've kind of rinsed out the product because this was not my color. L'Oreal, people are whiter than peaches. Come on, get it together now. People are lighter than peaches and they're darker than Coco. Get your shit together. Okay, trying to get back onto a better topic now. We have the Caudalie Moisturizing Cream Mask. This has been reformulated, so unfortunately I'm talking about an old formulation. Is it nice? It's kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it felt so luxurious on my skin. It felt so nurturing. It felt so moisturizing. And then the next day I would put it on, all of a sudden my cheeks would burn. My rosacea would flare up like it was nothing. So am I excited to try the new product? Yes, I hope it doesn't hurt as much. Are the ingredients like pretty much the same? They're pretty much the same. They're in different orders. So instead of like shea being high, it's colloidal oatmeal that's like high instead. So those aren't the ingredients specifically in this product, but just giving you examples. It's the same ingredients but in different doses. Next, oh, this smells so fucking delicious. I literally just swore on camera. I'm so sorry, Grandma. I know my grandma watches this, and I try to keep my language kind of like, you know, PG friendly because I love my grandma. So respect, Grandma. But I'm very sorry for swearing. This is the Anti-Stress Pillow Mist by Therapeutics. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Next is a product that I really wanted to love because I really want to love this brand. I used to love this brand. This is GLAMGLOW. Now, if you're new to my channel, then maybe you don't know, but I really had like a soft spot in my heart for GLAMGLOW until I really started looking into their ingredient list. Okay, I have lots of products to go through, so I need to really hurry up. We have Mist and Fix by Makeup Forever. Stop testing on animals. I know you sell in China. I know China's probably a big market for you. It probably makes you a lot of money, and I don't want to hinder anything for you, but that product is really good. That's all I want to say. Chocolate Lovers by Aquilina. This smells like chocolate. It really does smell like chocolate. My thing is flashing that it's overheating. So Time Bomb by theBalm Cosmetics. You can do better. This is not the best product. Professional by Benefit is sadly better than your product is, but it just leaves you room for improvement. So scope out your competition, make your product better. Next is Lime Crime's Trip. This is one of their Diamond Crusher toppers. Holy shit, I never looked at Lime Crime before just because the whole controversy kind of surrounding them, but I love this product. Thank you, Cerise, for introducing this into my life. I think I need every single shade. I love you. Next we have Sub Pacific's Vanilla Cocoa. I love Sub Pacific. They're very sweet, very vanilla-y, cocoa-y. I just threw these all over the floor. We got ColourPop's Gel Liner. These are in Swerve, Call Me, Exit. These are the white, black, and brown eyeliners. These are really nice eyeliners, but unfortunately they break so easy. So for $7, I'm pretty sure I wasted more product than I used. So yes, the product is nice as long as it doesn't break and fall on the floor on you. And if you have animals like I do, there is no 5-second rule. Next I have Vanilla Mint by Pharmacy. This smells so freaking delicious. You could actually still smell this in the pot on your lips. Oddly, the Tatcha $36 lip balm felt a little bit nicer than yours. We have D Squared by MAC. Yeah, I know, you're probably just as surprised as I am as how the hell did you use this up? I suck at repressing products. That's how I use this up. This broke on me. It shattered on me. Unfortunately, goodbye to this product. It's been fun. Next we have Wine by Revlon. This is their Color Stay lipstick. I've used this as eyeliner. I've used this as a brow color. I've used this as a lip color. It's been good. Next is the Guess by Guess. It's not my scent. And lastly, but not least, the Tatcha Camellia Lip Balm. I already kind of spoke about this when I talked about Pharmacy. I don't know why. This lip balm just does it for me. At first it was like $36 lip balm. You have to be kidding yourself. Who spent $36 on lip balm? That's ridiculous. There's little gold flakes in here to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Honestly, the lip balm speaks for itself, and I have never used such a moisturizing, long-lasting, hydrating, soothing, freaking good product. I hate myself. That's all I have to say. So that's everything for Rolling Project Pan. Thank you for checking in with me. Oh crap, I'm supposed to add in new products. Okay, so I'm pulling out my book here. For Project Pan, I have Smashbox Primer Water, which when we started it was here. It is now here, so we've used a little bit on of it, but this is now something new in my project. I have all these products by MAC Makeup. This is the Emphasize Powder. This is a Looxi Beauty Aurora. This is part of the Aurora eyeshadow collection. This is, oh, I just stuck my finger in it. There goes another shade. This is Glazed and Confused. That's kind of funny. This is Prom Queen, and this is Queen of Mean. Those are Looxi Beauty eyeshadows. They feel so beautiful, but unfortunately they crumble really badly. I also have MAC's Crystal Avalanche, which is a really nice highlighter. And then, oh, I'm so proud of myself, my second repress product. This is something by Becca. It was the middle shade out of their new palette. Yeah, these are my new products, as well as the Smashbox Primer Water, and I will check in with you guys. I just threw that lid somewhere that I don't even know. I will check in with you guys in a month. Hopefully the progress is better than this check-in, so I will see you then. Thanks for checking in. See you later. Bye guys.